Hey guys, welcome to a new Ride My Vlog here at Ride Shine Detailing. We're starting off with the Porsche GT2 RS and well, a lot of work. I'll show you some scratches later, a lot of corrections still, but we just need to polish the whole car. It had some problems, I think, with transport to the Netherlands. I think it had like a cover over it and that made some scratches. So, but nothing that we can't repair. We're going to make it in a mint condition, and then we're starting with a full install of this car. In the next vlog you will see some footage also, because Porsche is sending a mechanic to get a lot of parts from the car. We're going to take them off so we have a better install of the body fence. We want it to be really perfect, so we're going to take off the front bumper, the headlights, the rear lights, the spoiler if it comes off, also the mirrors, everything just goes off. Then we have like a perfect base to do a very nice install, and you can hardly see anything afterwards, and that should be the level that a car like this, or every car, must be installed with PPF. So that's this. Well, I'll show you the scratches later. What we're also working on is a Tesla Model S. I will show it to you also later. We already installed the hood of the car and the fenders and the mirrors, and we still need to do the front bumper. As you've seen, there was some damage on the front bumper. We had it back now, and we just put it on the car again. Well, I hope you guys can hear me correctly, because we're washing a car, and well, that makes a lot of sound in the washing bay, but I hope with my mic it's better. We had a problem because we were working on the Tesla over there in the back, and well, it's a new Tesla, but at the delivery at Tesla there was already some damage on the car, and they repaired it. So the Tesla just already came in later than the appointment here at Ride Shine Detailing. Only I think they missed something. So this car is in for body fence, and we can't install body fence on a scratch like this. There you can see. I don't know what happened, but this is not the way we can apply body fence. So what we did is, because well, the car just can't go to the resprayer, so we're going to give only the bumper. We took off the bumper, and it's going to be picked up by Sloat Car Repair, and we're going to do the repair on the bumper to get it ready for the body fence. And in the meantime, we're already working on the Tesla. We installed body fence here on the hood and here on the fender, and we still need to do the mirrors and the other fender, and then of course the front bumper. But well, this is one of the problems that we face here at Ride and Shine. Sometimes a car comes in quite dirty, and you just can't see if there's damage on the car afterward, and when she's ready washing. So well, this is for us a time problem, because we have to get this car ready in time, and with this kind of things it just takes longer. But we're going to fix it. The owner is on vacation, and we're making sure that that the car is ready when he comes back. But first I would like to show you also this Audi TT-RS. It's a brand new car, so I can show you the paint conditions, but there was nothing to be seen. I removed like 3 or 4 little scratches, and that was it. So I did a whole light polish on the car, because it just turned out to be better. It had some more gloss, but that was nothing, you know, like paint removing or something, just for the gloss. We installed body fence on the whole car. I'm sorry, not the whole car, but on the whole front of the car. So the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, all the parts here are installed with body fence, and also the mirrors, the carbon mirrors, are installed with body fence. And then afterwards I applied Modesta BC04 on the whole car. Turned out to be really great. You know, I really love this car. It's just, when you look at it, you know it's fast. It's just a fast car. Also the rims, the 20-inch, very, very nice. So I would like to go around the car and you can see the result. Look at this, the gloss is so high. The PPF already has a very nice gloss, and also in combination with the coating, it's just a very good finish. Well, I show you guys the damage on the bumper. It's been repaired. You can see a little polish mark. Well, I'm going to get that out. But the whole damage is it's gone, you know, and now we can do the installation of the PPF. But it still needs to be refined. So here you can see the frunk of a Tesla. That's the hood called on this car. It's installed with the PPF, and as you can see, just perfect. We need to finish the rest of the car, so I'll show you guys in the next vlog how this turned out. But I'm going to show you how we did the brake calipers. Well, we're looking at the rear brake caliper of a Tesla, normally black. Only the P100D has red brake calipers. That's also a reason why a lot of Tesla drivers want to paint the brake calipers red. Well, we can provide this service. It looks perfect now, same color as Tesla. Also, Tesla logo is on the brake caliper now, under the clear coat, so this is not going to come off. Well, it looks perfect. Let's have a look at the front caliper, because that's a different one. This is the front brake caliper. Well, you can see different one as the rear one, much bigger. Also, this one is normally black. Well, respray red, also Tesla logo on it. Again, under the clear coat, so this is very, well, it's suitable to resist every kind of weather. And of course, these brake calipers are also going to be coated with Modesta. So it's going to be perfectly protected. Well, it looks very nice. Okay, I've got the Tesla rims back. These was normally like grey, you know, the aluminium grey, normal Tesla rims, but we repainted them in matte black. This is the winter rim, and well, this is the way how a rim is delivered at Ride and Shine Detailing, like, you know, perfectly painted. Also the inside, I'm going to turn it around. You can see the inside here. This is just like perfectly repainted. Also the back of the spokes are totally resprayed, so no old color is here. When you take off the rims, they're just, you know, looks like the original. And sometimes you'll see the respraying of rims and they don't do the inside of the rims, especially not the back of the spokes. But this is not the way I like it. It should be like this. So I'm going to mount them back on the car. Well, as always, these rims needs to be fastened. I'm doing this with the torque wrench. I'm not doing this with the machine because there's too much power on these machines, and I don't want to damage or do something to the rim. So always by hand at the exact right moment with the exact Newton meter. You know, this is just the way to do to fasten the rims safely. So. There she is. So the foil on the front of this car and also the coating is installed. So I'm going to infrared heat the whole front of the car. The rest of the car has already been infrared heated. So only the front of this car needs to be heated now. The best thing to do, you know, because now the whole thing just comes together and it's going to be like a perfect finish. Okay, I'm putting on the wax. This is my own wax. It's going to be on the market this year. We are testing this wax for almost 2 years now. I had a lot of testing panels back from the manufacturer, and well, I just want the wax to be perfect. As you can see, I'm not putting any pressure on this pad, you know, just a little bit. Put the wax on. And of course you can't see it because it's so thin, and that's the best thing to do, you know, just a thin layer of wax. Whoa. So I like to work with a short fibered microfiber towel, especially on this black paint, because I believe long hair towels, you know, with long microfibers are well, sometimes it just cut to the paint, you know, it's like razors. And I don't want it, so always a low microfiber towel on this paint for me. Maybe you guys are doing it different, but this is the way I'm doing it, and I love it this way. The wax doesn't have to stay on very long because, well, it's not designed to cure for minutes, only for just 1 minute, and then it's already enough. I'm not putting any pressure on the towel. Again, this has to do also with the paint. It's so sensitive, not normal. And there's an immediate shine with this wax. And I also like to just have an extra inspection with light, because I want to make sure that I'm not making any scratches or whatsoever. Oh, it's perfect.